Welcome to TechLeapart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert underline on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word. After that open any document. Now you can use two methods to add underline on Word. Now for the first method, just select your text. If I select the first line and then click on Home tab, and here on the font option you can see U option, which is underline. Just click on this arrow icon and that's it. Now from here you can choose any kind of underline as you like. If I select double underline, and that's it. You can see underline has been added successfully. Now for the second method, just select any text again. Now you have to just press Ctrl plus U from your keyboard, and here it is. You can see a single underline has been added successfully. Also, if you want to change your underline color, just select it and then click here again. Then click on underline colors option. Then choose any color and it's done. And that is how you can add underline on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.